How to share your profile on Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can share your profile on Rednote app. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So if you're wondering how you can share your profile on Rednote app, if you have already created a profile or logged in into your account, you just need to head over to the bottom right corner in the Me tab. So when you head over there, you can find your profile right here. So in order to share your profile, at the top right corner, you can find an arrow with the box section. So when you click on it, you should be able to find a share section here. So you can directly share it to your friends, or you can copy the link and paste it to other medias and share it with your friends. Otherwise, we also have a QR code available. So if other people scan your QR code, they will be directly directed towards your profile. So that is it. This is the process you can use up in order to share your profile on Rednote application, which is super easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.